Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn compound words. What are compound words? A compound word is made up of two words. Each word is able to stand by itself with its own meaning. The compound word creates a new meaning. Two meaningful words when joined, they make a new meaningful word. For example, class. Class word has its own meaning and mate is also has its own meaning. But when we join both two words class, mate, it become a new meaningful word that is called a compound word. Let's do some examples. Classmate, when we join it, it becomes classmate. Lipstick, lipstick. Earphones, earphones. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Football, football. Chickpea, chickpeas. Popcorn, popcorn. Rainbow, rainbow. Lighthouse, lighthouse. Snowman, snowman. Butterfly, butterfly. Here we did some examples of compound words. Now let's see the types of compound words. Types of compound words. There are three types of compound words: open, close, and hyphenated. Let's see what are these. Close compound. A word that is made up of two words that are combined without a space between them. When we join two words without any space, that words are called compound words. For example, the examples which we have done previously are also the examples of compound words, close compound words. Now let's see these examples of compound words. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Milkshake, milkshake. Milkshake. Classroom, classroom. Within, within. Sometimes, sometimes. Sunflower, sunflower. Handbag, handbag. Newspaper, newspaper. Keychain, keychain. Keychain. Sunscreen, sunscreen. Here you can see the two meaningful words. When they join, they make a new word. And now there we write these words without any space or without any hyphen. So these compound words are called close compound words. Closed compound words can be found in almost every part of speech, including adverbs and preposition. Now let's see the open compounds. An open compound word that is written without a space between the with the space between the words but is recognized as a single word because it forms a new meaning. G. Compound words are those words when we write two meaningful, or we can say that when we join two meaningful nouns, it create a new meaningful word is called a compound. But in these compound words, there is a space between two nouns. For example, ice cream, we write it as ice cream but with the space. Ice cream, ice cream. That is called a open compound. Let's see other examples. Mashed potato, mashed potato. Hot pot, hot pot. Here you can see ice has its own meaning and cream has its own. But when we are joining two words ice cream, it become a new word that is called open compound. When we write it without with the space, it called a compound words. And next example, mashed. Mashed, it has its own meaning. Potato is also a meaningful noun. And when we join both these two words, it make a new word which has its own meaning. So these are called open compounds, like school bus, school bus. Living room, living room. High school, high school. And when we write the open compounds, there should be a space between these two nouns. Cotton candy, cotton candy. Common, common sense, common sense. Video game, video game. Coffee shop, coffee shop. Open compound words are often nouns and are used in the same way as regular nouns. Open compound words can also be verbs, which are more commonly known as phrasal verbs. Now next see the next type of compounds, which is hyphenated compounds. Hyphenated compound words are words that are made up of two or more words that are joined by a hyphen. The words which we join by using a hyphen are called hyphenated compounds. Let's see the examples. Well, noun. There is a hyphen between these two nouns, so that is called a hyphenated compounds. Well, noun, mother-in-law. 21. Old-fashioned, hand wash, to time, window shop, role play. Now let's see some examples of open compound, closed compound and hyphenated compound in sentences. Let's find out and write down in comment how many examples you find the right. Okay, first one is my bedroom is bigger than my living room. Can you find out the compound words here? How many compound words here? Hurry up, tell me. Write down your answer in the comment box. What is the compound noun here? My bedroom is bigger than my living room. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Which type of compound noun is? That is closed compound noun. That is closed. And which another compound noun we use here? Living room. Living room. Living room is a open compound. Which type of this is? Open compounds. I love to eat peanut butter pancakes. I love Which are the compound nouns here? Write down your answer in the comment box. There are two compound nouns. One is peanut, peanut, and second one is pancakes, pancakes. Both are closed compound nouns. That is also a closed compound noun. Let's see the next example. Your grandmother has an old-fashioned way of doing things. What is the compound noun here? Hurry up, tell me the answer. What is grandmother? Yes, grandmother. Grandmother is the compound noun. Now hurry up, tell me which kind of compound noun is that? That is a closed compound noun. The words which there are no space are called closed compound nouns. And second compound noun is, hurry up, tell me the answer. Which is the second compound noun here? Old fashioned. Old fashioned. And old fashioned is the hyphenated. Which type of? Which type of? Hyphenated. Now let's see the next example. My mother-in-law remembers watching the moon landing on television in her teenage years. How many compound nouns in this sentence? My mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Which type of compound noun is that? Hyphenated. Yes, that is the hyphenated. Remembers watching the moon landing on television in her teen age. Yes, teen age is also a noun, that is closed compound noun. Next example is, her mother-in-law works at the post office. Here is mother-in-law, that is hyphenated compound noun. Mother-in-law is the hyphenated compound noun. And next compound noun is the post office. Post office is, that is a open compound noun. Which type of post office is? Open compound noun. Now let's see the next example. Firefighters worked hard to extinguish the fire at the high school gymnasium. G. What is the compound noun here? Firefighters. And that is the closed compound noun. Worked hard to extinguish the fire at the high school. High school. Which type of compound noun is that? High school is the open compound noun. So that is our today's video about compound nouns. In this video we learned about compound nouns and its three types, that are open compound, closed compound, and hyphenated compounds. I hope the video is helpful for all of you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.